kasama ko nga pala si Larry Boy, ang tropa kong ayasig na mapanganib.
Who you got?
My brother right here, DJ.
Who you got? Canelo or Crawford?
Canelo, 8 rounds.
I got Crawford.
Crawford?
Whoever, kung sino matatalo siya yung magbabayad ng lahat ng kinain.
Sige,
Deal?
sige.
Deal? Ay,
Canelo, KO, 8 round.
update namin kayo. Sabi mo round 8 pare ko eh. Round 9 na. Delikado na.
Fuck, man.
By unanimous decision, the Fighting Pride of Omaha.
That's right. That's right.
Bullshit, man. It's bullshit.